crafters, it's Karen, the weekend craftaholic, and I've got a special midweek upload for you, mainly because this little beauty arrived today whilst I was at work. This is the July Citrus Twist Kit. There's also a few extra goodies that I'd ordered, which I'll show you. Now, as you can see, I have already opened the box. I couldn't resist while I was at work, but I've not actually looked at the July kit at all. Just had a quick look at what was in. I wanted to share it with you because this is always a special time when we do unboxing. So let me very quickly get everything out of the box and then I can show you what I've got. Okay, so this is the July kit, and I do believe the alphas are part of the set. I did watch a Citrus Twist channel video on their channel, so it does mention that it's too big for the pack, so I'll leave those to one side for the moment. I have to say I'm absolutely loving these bags. They're just like the Studio Calico ones. Great size as well. But and that's the add-on stamp that I got with July. But I just bought a few little goodies. Now, as you can see, they're all from the All Hearts collection. Apart from this, I got this little Tombow Mono Liquid Glue. Now, I've seen this being used on other YouTube channels, so I thought I'd give it a go whilst it was on the store. This is the broad tip one. On this side and a pen tip on that side, so I think it's going to be really good for me. So I'll let you know my thoughts on that as I use it a bit more. But these are the goodies. Oh, this was in the kit. Thank you for shopping with us. So it's a nice little 3x4 card. No. Okay, so I very quickly just opened it at the side because I wanted to show you this 6x8 pad. I'm loving the 6x8 for my traveller's notebooks, so I'm going to have a quick flick and show you this. I've seen loads of people using this on YouTube. I've been very jealous. Love this rainbow paper. In fact, I love all of it. It's all going to be great. I just couldn't resist. So I got as much of this collection as I could. And as I say, with the Citrus Twist kits, look at this. You just pay one flat shipping fee. That's gonna be my favourite sheet out of all of it. So it was a great idea to buy these extra goodies whilst I was in the store. And you see you get 2 of each sheet in this single-sided sheet. So whilst I was there, I also saw these stickers. There's 80 different stickers on this. Close at the bottom. And then this is the ephemera pack. I'm not going to take it out, but you can see it's got some gorgeous die cut pieces as well as some 3x4 cards, some tags and so on. So what's included? So I'm going to have fun using those. But the main reason is the kit. So this was the add-on stamp you could get with it. Now, I couldn't resist 2 of the sentiments on this, which was Superwoman and Be Bold or Italic, Never Regular. I absolutely love that. I can see I'm going to use this stamp an awful lot, I have to say. Oh, I quickly showed you before the alphas. This is like a wood grain effect and like large chipboard pieces. So, looking forward to that. Excuse the crinkle. So this is a little card. This is the best of this life kit. There's no need to have it all, just make the best of what you have. The stamp set that comes with the kit. I love this one, Life is What You Make It. I love this mix of fonts. Making music. Driving in my car. There's so many cute stamps in this set. Best of life. Now I'm glad there's more of these little enamel shapes because I'm absolutely loving these, the flatness of them and the mix as well of normally you just get stars or circles and love hearts. This is a mix of everything and those colours are unusual actually to come across. Let me get this ephemera pack out for you. Now you can see it here. Now you'll know if you saw my video on Saturday that I only got the June kit last week. So I'm not going to be using this one just yet. I want to use up the June kit first, but then I'm hoping the August kit comes a bit sooner in the month, because what I really would like to do is use the kit for the month that I'm currently in. I don't want to constantly be 1 month behind, you know, using the July kit in August in September and so on. So I'm really hoping the postage speeds up now that we've not got any delays with public holidays, that kind of thing. Oh, I really love the colour scheme of this. There's a definite theme here. Oh, look at that. So many goodies. I can't show you them all. It would be too long a video. Let's look through these 3x4 cards. This one says sunshine, as you can see. Best of today. Market day. That's good when you put your own stamps on. Some of the stamps in the set. Small steps every day. Live fully in the season you are in. Not quite ready for this. Oops. Oh, I like that one as well. It's really good. And then some more journaling spots. These are some chipboard pieces. I won't take these out. It's nice and thick. And then we've got these puffy stickers as well. So these are quite thick actually, but I'm loving these as well. And then lastly, we will look at the paper sheets. So we've got the cut apart sheet and a couple of 6x4s. Bookmark. Now last month what I did do was chop that into a couple of where's the smaller cards gone? I chopped them down so I had two 4x3s, because I don't really need a bookmark as such. So I was able to use that as two, so I'll probably do the same again this time. And let me flick you through. I'm loving these colours, they are unusual. Now these are obviously single-sided, perfect size for my traveller's notebook. It's good to have some like this, I think, that we can mix up. Oh, I love that one. I love the florals. Ooh, that makes my eyes go a bit crazy. Great colour schemes. That one off is here. Matches. And there we go, stars on the end. So there's definitely some favourites in this. It's obviously winter where I am in Australia, as opposed to being summer in America. So that's probably the only thing that isn't going to work very well for me ordering kits from America, but we will give it a go. But I really love what's in it. You can see it's absolutely jam-packed with goodies, and I'm gonna have a lot of fun using it. So if you're interested to see what I do with this, please subscribe. If you like this video, please give it a like, and check back soon. Thank you for watching. Hey, thanks for watching. If you've got any comments about this video, please leave them below. I'd love to see them. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. That way YouTube knows to recommend similar ones for you. And finally, if you'd like to see more from me, and I hope so, please subscribe by clicking the link below. I post new content every weekend.